Good morning, people. Good morning, good people. My name is Kosinati Ndongwa from Dynamic Projection Trading. We specialize mainly in wave tradings. So we also do the supply, the demands. We also do the harmonic patterns. So if you like to know more about harmonic patterns, you can contact me on my Telegram below this video, or also you can WhatsApp me if you not want to know more about harmonic patterns. If you also want to know more about waves, you will also use the same contact numbers to contact me. Right in front of me, I have the gold. The gold. So I quickly want to look at the chart for gold, share with you how does gold look like. So what exactly are we trading? What exactly are we building? Because every time when the market moves up or down, it actually builds something that should make sense to you, which is what Elliot has discovered as well. So there are different things we are going to spot on this chart. Uh, it's either you can also spot the what you call the harmonics that are happening in this chart as well. So you will see that the harmonic that is happening over here over this corrective structure is not yet complete, is not yet completed. So it needs to go a bit up to confirm our reversal as well. So let's look into this chart, looking it from daily. The price data that I have here, it's only coming from 2016. I don't have the price data for beyond 2016 back there, 2016 back. It's because I am using the Oyanda I'm look chart right now. So if you need to look at the price data before 2016 back then, maybe you can jump to the ITC chart. That's where you will see the price data from back 2016. But I will use what is in front of me right now. Looking at into this chart, guys, you'll see that the price was rallying. The price of gold was rallying uh, since back then. And what the data that I have in front of me here, I have the wave 3 here, I have wave 4, then I have wave 5. That is the data that I have. So this means that this whole piece that is happening here, remember, there is what we call the sequence that should be followed, or the sequence that we are using on the Elliott. For every after 5 wave structure, there will be a corrective structure after it. So it looks like this whole piece that is playing out this side is the corrective structure that we are looking at. So looking into this corrective structure, it looks like it's going to develop some kind of a zigzag corrective structure, before it even goes down. So it's a very beautiful structure, nice and clear on gold. So if we look clearly on this weekly time frame, you'll see that here is the pattern that Elliott Wave has spoken about, that give us wave 1 and wave 2. And here also we've got the pattern that give us 3 and 4, and ending with the what, with an ending diagonal that gives us 5. So apparently what the price is doing on the other side is a 1 2 3 corrective structure. This is a corrective structure with a pattern in the middle, an ABC structure that goes up like that. So it's an ABC structure that is happening over this side. So either way, we want this ABC structure as well to be complete, because it does not look like this ABC structure is complete right now, because we've got 1 2, we've got 3, we've got 4, we've got 5. That should be completed. After this 5 has played out, then we're going to say this structure is complete, because we're going to be looking at this whole piece in yellow as A and this whole piece in red as B, and therefore we will be looking for price to come give us another move down like that. Either way, we will be having an ABC structure that is correcting the whole impulse that we see on this side. So once this ABC structure is complete, we assume that this will be going all the way up. Unless this becomes more complicated, then it can be updated accordingly. Right. I want us to move to the smaller time frame so that you can see what is happening, on the smaller time frames. Goal setup. I believe after this video you'll be trading gold with the clarity, knowing exactly what it is developing. Right, this is my structure. You can see this is a 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal, ending with the diagonal I've been mentioning, labeled very clear over here. So we are currently on this B wave of this structure, on this B wave of this correction. So ever since from December 2015, this has been correcting, has been forming the B wave of the zigzag that should be going down. Let's quickly look at the zigzag here. It looks like the zigzag is about to complete. So you can see this is a 1 2 3, this whole piece that is going down here, it's a 4, then it should be trading 5. So I'm expecting wave 5 to go up to 1617,05. Possibly it can go there unless this wave become more truncated. Either way, what we're gonna do, we want to trade this once it gets to these bottoms over here, which I assume it will be, let's check it, because it should retrace about of this wave 3. Let's see how it retraces. Let's see how this retraces over here. Let me open this. So maybe I think it's gonna be retracing up to 50%, 50% of this whole impulse, this move here. So the price will be retracing up to 50%. So we'll be looking to price to go up to 50% of this move. So we'll be taking maybe about 1% of the trade from this one, risking 1%, taking it up until we get a corrective structure like that, an entry, and then we take it to the upside. Taking to the upside. So it will be very much important to monitor how these waves are gonna go over here. But I would like to take a trade from here, from 50% up to these highs, after these highs. So if I take my profit into these highs, that's where my profit will be sitting at. Even if the price is clear these highs like that, I will no longer be interested in trading this to the upside, but I'll be looking for reversals over here, over this area. So if you want to trade long term, so you'll be looking to trade it once the price reaches that higher. We've got a nice confirmation in terms of harmonic. I think we can look at it. I think we've got a nice harmonic pattern that is more likely to be playing out in that area. I think it will be playing out up to 1692. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. You can see it is retracing very well into, the price is retracing very well into 0.38.2. Very nice retracement of 0.38.2. So price is more likely to do this 50%, to go up like this, to give us a corrective structure. Then wave 5, which might complete at 78.6. That's where we'll be looking for reversals over these areas. So once we get reversals into these areas, we'll be trading all these things to the downside, once it gets to 50% of this whole B wave, we'll be locking all our profits. But that's the lot of pips down I am looking at. Right, let's see what the price is doing on the smaller time frames. Today is on the 26th of November 2019. I think I've gave this signal to the group already before it even break the structure. So it has already broken the structure. We are looking for it to go to that 50%. You can see this is looking into the structure. You can see this is what this is a 1, 2, 3 structure. So which is 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, then 1, 2, 3 down as well. So that's what we are looking at right now. So we are looking for price to come to this box. Then after this price came to this box, we'll be looking to take buy positions over here. We'll be looking to take buy positions over here. So we already took entry on the breakout of this. So we want this to go all the way down. Once it give corrections as well, you can take it. Every pullback or correction you're gonna get here, we're gonna continue to take this thing down like that. Then we're gonna keep moving our profits to break even over here, and then take our profits to 50% retracement that I've shown. So that's the gold. That's the gold. If you need to know what gold will be doing, this is the price setup of the gold we are looking at. So please share this video. You may share this video with your friends as well. We've got our 2 years once off subscription for signals that will be starting January, but the subscriptions are open. You can subscribe from now, then I will simply add you into the channel that will be doing the signal. So it will be running for 2 years. You pay it once, then you receive the service for 2 years. You don't need to pay this monthly. So you pay the price of 2,500 ZAR, and therefore you'll be receiving this service. You'll be trading with us these setups up until 2021 December. By then you should be okay. We are sending charts with risk and reward ratio as well. Then we also do the live video analysis, webinars, which I'll be performing as from next year, weekly, looking into the price setups as well. So don't miss that. Some of you might not afford to attend the course as well, but they can learn a lot from my webinars that I'll be doing. If you watch these webinars, you can learn a lot as well from them. So knowing how to count waves, knowing how to track down the entries of the trade, knowing how to prepare yourself for a certain trade. So I'll be doing all that for the next 2 years that is coming. So you can subscribe. If you want to subscribe, you will find my WhatsApp number over here at the bottom of this video. You'll find my WhatsApp number as well as my Telegram number. Therefore, you can just subscribe for the signal, then I'll just to take you into the group. And yes, that's all from me, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video and also share it with your friends and everyone that you know, so that they cannot miss this wonderful opportunity with me at Dynamic Projection Trading. Yes, guys, enjoy. Love you. Cheers. Bye.